Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This video is a continuation of a series about installation of IoT platform. In the previous video we installed OpenReports and you can see OpenReports right here, and in this video we will go to the next application, which is Flow. So we can go to GitHub in the Total.js platform and we can search for Flow. Here it is. And now you may ask, what is even Flow? So Flow is a low-code visual programming interface created by Total.js, and it is an alternative to Node-RED. It is designed to simplify the creation and management of data workflows and automation processes. Flow integrates effortlessly with the Total.js ecosystem, as well as with external API and third-party services. Its versatility and seamless integration capabilities make it a valuable tool for automation tasks, streamlining operations, and enhancing productivity. Your next question may be, why do we need Flow in the IoT platform? And same as with OpenReports, it's not necessary to use Flow in the IoT platform, but it enhances possibilities for various cases. Flow is an independent application and you can use it also for other purposes. So if the IoT platform is not for your case, you can still use Flow with different kinds of cases. Now I think that we can move to installation. So as first we can copy here a URL address for downloading of a Flow, and then we can go to folder where we want to download it. I already prepared folder Flow, and in here we will open a terminal, and it's this terminal, and here we can put the command git clone and our link. Now as you can see, downloading is already going and we have to wait. Okay, so I jumped through this process, so we don't have to wait. Now as you can see, our Flow is here. Now we can again open terminal and we can, oh sorry, I forgot, before we will run our Flow we have to change the port, and as you can see it's not defined. Our OpenReport application is running on the port 8002, so we will put here 8003 because on the port 8000 is IoT platform and 8001 is Stream application. I will save this, and then now we can go back to our terminal and we can fill in a command node index.js. And as you can see, our Flow is now running. We can copy this URL address and go there in our browser. And this is a login form. We can fill in the form and sign in. And now, as you can see, we are in our Flow. And I encourage you to change your credentials right after first login. And you can do it here. Now we can create our first Flow stream. We can do it right here. The name I will put here a test. And we can click submit. You can see our Flow stream listed here. We can open it. And now here is a form with components. And I will download first component here, which will be print. I can click import here, and as you can see, our component is here, and we can drag and drop it into our Flow stream and click apply. To catch requests from IoT platform into the Flow, we have to create a connection. We will do it with TMS connection between our IoT platform and Flow. This will give us an opportunity to process real-time data from our IoT platform. For example, we can create alerts based on values from sensors, send emails, create requests, and a lot more. In this example, we will only catch incoming data and print them. To do this, we need to add TMS component to drivers in the IoT platform. I already did that, as you can see here. This driver is the part of IoT platform and you can find it in the GitHub. Also, you have to set here a token for your TMS and I set it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we need to go back to the flow and we have to click here and create new TMS source and add sources. And here we will put a link to our stream because our stream is running on the port 8001. And here we will put this TMS. And as a token, we will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because we set it here as a token in our token driver. In our TMS driver. Now I can click submit, and as you can see, it was already created and new components will appear here. Now I can show you how to catch received data to our platform. We will have to use this component real time, and also I will download a component with the name delay for this example. We will put it here between our real-time component and print component. I will do it just like this. And now we can try if it works. So I will use an application Rapid API, and as you can see, we are trying to send data to our stream application to the endpoint AirQueue. If you don't know what this means, please go back to video where we installed Stream, and there I described how to use Stream and how to receive data. Now I can send this request. As you can see, it go through, and here you can see that we have our data received also in our Flow application. And as you saw, this print changed a few times because we received data for every sensor separate. So it was temperature, humidity, battery, CO2 and TVOC. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new and maybe we will see each other in the next video. Bye and have a nice day.